Yeah, massive. Big up every time. I don't know. Oh, you mean? Look good. You know, see, foreign me, they look at me and me clean. Look how me sweet. Look good now, man. You understand? Watch me now, man. So right now, you know, say foreign me there. You know how always I go hear that. So with your foreign massive, right now, me now one bad machine here go easy. And we are go on a serious mission today. You understand? So right about now, me actually with the great Riding Rude Boy. Bro! Look good now, man. Look good now, man. You understand? Right now, me a chill today with the bad fighter. You understand? The bad man from Jamaica. Look good. Randy Rude Boy, bro. Let me tell you that straight up. Say, hear me now, man. I'm a G this. We grew up together. And right now, from me touching that place, the man say, oh, you have to forward for one night training session. So right now, it's like a day in the life with Randy. So we are going to chill, we are going to watch him man just beat some gym and show him life, how him deal with the thing, how him kick up boy face and beat things. You understand? So watch now, him in the welterweight division in the UFC. You understand? And he represent Jamaica straight. So from Jamaica, walk by there and find him, we go represent for Jamaica them straight.
Yeah.
So watch good now, man. A whole dab a Spanish town, all of them places that we are represent right now. You hear that? Randy Rude Boy, bro, massive. We actually at the planet and we just reach at the gym. And we are going to go show no what go on. Look good now, man. We soon come. Watch now, man. So massive, look good. So me there, so I'm here to tell us right now. A foreign, I'm here to tell us foreign is beautiful, foreign is nice. One thing I realize where people them not play when them say work, you know. Cause look here, and I parking lot full already, you know, early in the morning, you know, man. Look good now, man.
Worm, you know?
Look good now, man. Then say early bird get the most worm. Look good. The parking lot full. Full.
No itching.
No itching, the people them outside. So massive, we go inside and now, you know, so we're there with Randy Rude Boy Brown. So massive, everybody who don't know about Randy Rude Boy Brown is... Sorry, here, I mean, look, because you're there so long time I walk and I look and bump you. So watch me now. So if you don't know who Randy Brown is, you know, go check out Randy Rude Boy Brown on Instagram. Search him up on Google, a big man in I think. I him a kick up a boy them face from boy. You understand what you hear about Jamaican bad fighter? I him this. Randy Rude Boy Brown. So all of my massive want to know who him is. You don't know. Make me soon start like now. Make me soon start like which way we are go, so? Y'all lead the way. Wanna make me soon start like now and drop some comment if you don't know about that boy. Yeah. I him go some woman kick boy in the face and broke all into and still a fight and guess what? He still win. What me just say? I say me pause. Me say I him kick boy in the face and broke in two and still win. Moment of silence for them.
Yeah.
Look good now, man. I ran the Rude Boy Brown my power with today. So we are going to on the road the whole day today. We are going to just get some food, I go train him, I go back in my yard, I go kick a whole day, I beat up boy face. So see we are at the place, look good. So we are in dance and blast, essential jiu-jitsu.
Essential jiu-jitsu.
Jiu-jitsu?
Yeah.
You hear that? so yeah, massive, look good, we're there. Blessings, blessings, mad thing, respect. Big up every time, you understand? That is it.
This is my friend from Jamaica.
What's up, man? Every time. There, man. There. See?
Alright, cool. Yeah, sure, that's fine, man. Yeah,
man.
You got a fight coming up, huh? Excited?
Yeah. Tomorrow, at that time, you really gotta get the experience, you get me?
See it then, man. So massive, the man a gear up and things so. By the time you so back again, I don't know, so we're out there. I watch him doing training thing. Look good. I general this. You see me? Yeah, man, no play. So who never know, no one know who the brother is. You see me? Mad thing. Randy Rude Boy Brown.
Big up Jamaica, big up massive, you know. Big up everybody from Spain Town, big up everybody from all over.
I mean, you know them why you lift your shirt, you know. Cause girl them want to see you. See, watch good now, man. We outside. warm, here's the technique. Speed drill, and all rounds today. Let's go, bring it in real quick.
Guys, we're going to focus on things that you already know that I'm going to do today. It's working something we got from the trials. Try to do something new, so I'm just going to emphasize details on basics that you guys already know. We're going to drill double leg takedown, okay? The fastest, easy way to get a takedown, if I tie up with JT, he's looking to tie up with me, okay? Or if I go to push him, he thinks that I'm going to push him. I always say, never chase the hands. If his hands come up, it gets me underneath his defense. So don't worry about the hands, because if my hands come up and I'm worried about chasing his hands, he can also attack against me, okay? The basic details, see a lot of you guys with the wrong head position. I'm a left leg lead, so when I drop to my left leg, the left side of my face needs to hit his body. When I finish the move, I need to circle to the left, so I'm in the least danger of getting caught in a guillotine, okay? If I'm a right leg lead, the right side of my head hits. Make sure you guys never look down. Head is always up and drive through. The last biggest mistake I see a lot of people making when they attack the leg is you guys attack the leg to just hold the person. This buys some time to attack it more, buys some time to attack my neck. When I shoot, guys, I'm off my knee fast, okay? And I don't drop to my knee from up here. I level change so that I can drive. As soon as my knee hits, I drive through the person, okay? You guys saw how he kept hopping backwards? When I shoot through him, my inside arm holding his leg isn't going to do anything. You can hop. It's the opposite arm which does the trick knocking down. I have to just stop him from catching himself. I let my body do the work. So when you guys do the takedown, I'm close enough where I can touch him. I know that I don't have to reach, but if you guys are unsure of how far you can shoot, you can post up and move. Now I'm in position. Good level change, drive through up, right quick. I like to sit the leg and come up on straight. It makes it much harder for me to recover the guard. Okay? If I grab it here, you can. It's a long way. You jump to the point. Let's fall right down. So before he lands on me, I'm dropping his weight. I didn't feel it at all. So I drive through and I switch. I'm not knee pivoting. I'm trying to get as much distance as possible. So you guys can run through on your takedown, or you guys can cut the corner and drive through. Any questions on that? Stop there, pick the finish you want, but don't hesitate, get off that knee fast. 1, 2, 3. always teach people if they're gonna reach to keep one hand down or both hands down. So for this next drill, I want the opponents to do a double leg takedown and try to drive through you guys. If his hands are like this, and I do a double leg, I'm gonna take him down all day. But if his hands are down, right, I'm gonna shoot into him as hard as I can. He's letting me drive him back. He's not jumping back to sprawl. He's just lifting his feet up, and my momentum is what's gonna drive him back. So right here, when I shoot, drive the double leg. You guys see how it drives him back? Add a sprawl with that now, right? You guys see how I'm not gonna finish my takedown in that sense, but just stay on top. I'll try. Level change, I drive in, I'm gonna end up here, because if I stay on his legs, I'm gonna be extended. So I drop my hands and look where he is. He's already in position to start spinning behind or catch the front hand lock. Okay, so with this drill, don't just dive in like this, be a good partner. Good level change, drive in. And when he sprawls, you have to shoot on me. Keeping my chair is going to put me into that position to be right on his shins. I have to double under. And if he does lift me up, he moves up higher, I can jack it up to defend that double leg. Okay? And shoot one more time. Keep my hands low and just kick my legs back. And right away, just like I'm doing mountain climbers, he's my arms. I pressure forward. This buys me time to decide what I want to attack. Whether I'm going for the guillotine, whether I'm sitting behind, get used to that pressure forward because you can always re-snap.
So you're gonna get a good shoot, back lock.
Yeah, good shot. Okay. If I have one hand up and he shoots and I have one hand down, same thing. I'm gonna be in that position. So if you guys always have a hand down, you don't reach up with both hands, you're gonna be fine. So with this one, you guys are shooting hard, but just trust. That's it. All I'm doing is level changing and dropping down. The harder he shoots, the worse it's gonna be. Questions?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3.
So it was a warm-up.
He works starting now, you know?
So that all of that was just the warm-up? It's crazy, bro. This is sick.
No, we had to do the rework.
Yes, sir. You are being trying to keep those rules in mind, guys. Try to keep those rules.
Stamina well up, you know?
Guys, real quick.
You know, watch him, man. It's soak already. Soak.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Oh, so
9, 10, 11.
road wide. Don't move.
Alright, so listen, 13. So if you are training with someone who is competing in trials this weekend, keep that in mind, right? We always usually train pretty well with one another, train hard, but we'll keep it safe. So same thing as we usually do, but it's fight week. Let's be extra careful today. Be smart. Let's still train hard though. Alright, it's Tuesday. You guys will be competing on Saturday and Sunday. Those who are in the top, you guys still have plenty of time from after this practice to recover. I will say though, this probably should be your last hard practice though. It should be a tough practice day, get a good sweat, and then still train tomorrow, Thursday, and then you guys get a sweat on Friday. So on Friday, make weight, then Saturday and Sunday showtime. Alright? But we're gonna get after it today, as we usually do. Just be a little bit more cautious. Let's have some fun. Are there any questions?
Nope.
Johnny.
Hey, we curve. We got the curve home. All right.
Preparation. It's the preparation.
Just the
At least
preparation.
some of the preparation for December 16th. So yeah, we're there, get ready. They have hard to put in work, you know. So we have 10 weeks till war time still, but right now they are go hard and I build up the skills and we'll be ready, you know.
Figure that.
This is Renee Souza. He's competing.
ADCC trials, East Coast this weekend, 88 kilogram division.
They're one of the best in the world.
Working on it, trying to prove it to everybody.
Alright, so I'm a Jamaica massive and I'm a New York massive. You don't know. No semi there in a foreign. You understand? So right about now, you know, Randy Brown is actually inside training and stuff. You're seeing a bunch of things like that's happening. But I'm here with a representative of the Jiu-Jitsu gym that Randy is actually at, and I'm gonna just shout them out, you know, because I want to, you know, persons to have an idea what Jiu-Jitsu is all about. And so we're actually here with.
What's up? My name is Mike. I'm here at Essential Jiu-Jitsu. We're teaching Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu to kids, adults, competitors, the whole range, right? Jiu-Jitsu is a grappling martial art. It's like wrestling with some submissions, some chokes, some arm locks, leg locks, all that good stuff. So Randy Brown's gonna use that in the cage too, right? He's gonna do some striking, some groundwork as well. So he's cross-training with us. But over here, we're doing big training sessions for competitors like today, like you'll see in this video. We also do, like I said, kids programs, little kids, kids up to 13 years old. We have adults that are 50 and 60. We have 20-year-olds, men, women, new students, advanced students, world champions. We got everything you need here.
So massive, listen, it's not a joke thing. No dibby thing. You understand? Look good. Look on the name. You understand? No joke. You actually see them decorate and thing for the Christmas and thing.
We keep it festive.
Any Christmas special?
We have the special vibes. We got great vibes inside. We have some discounts and whatnot depending on the packages. But no matter what, whatever holiday's coming up, we always like to keep a good vibe. We keep the kids positive. Even the adults love to see the decorations and everything. We're all about good vibes here. That's number one.
Yeah, massive. I realize that, you know, the love, the greet what we get when you're forward in, it's like them know you a long time. You understand? And that is really good. So, you don't know, are you guys on Instagram?
We're on Instagram at Essential BJJ. You can follow us there. We have a YouTube page as well.
Yeah, man, shout
all
out
good
to
content. It's Essential Jiu-Jitsu. Just you can search that up on YouTube, you'll find us. We have vlogs, we have training episodes, we have technique videos. We also have EssentialJJOnline.com. You can watch all of the techniques that are taught by all the world-class instructors here. You can find us there, bro.
That's it. You don't know a thing. There's a massive here. This is where Randy Brown do his Jiu-Jitsu,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Jiu-Jitsu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, classes and things. That's why you know Randy so, but kick up, boy. Arm choke, be a sitting there. Yo, imagine mixing jiu-jitsu with some Jamaican fist fight.
Come on.
And sitting there. Hey, the ramp put it in. That's why I say, you know, say a man bad man. You know, say a man can't fight, man. But tell us, a man kick up boy, teeth up, booming and broke into and still win this moment of silence. Man still win, man. Yes, I don't know a day in the life with Randy. See the next general, you understand? What's your name, sir?
Damien.
Damien.
That's our big body right here, man. You don't want to get in that big body corner, man. He brings the pressure, he brings the heat. And always looking good.
I saw him in there going bad, man, and I'm like, yo. John was like, yeah, one of the guys was like, bro, what you doing? You care to come inside? I'm like, no, I'm a videographer, man. Yeah, man, I need one guy. I'm like, no, man, not me. So big up every time, you guys. My love, respect.
Appreciate having you here.
Jiu-Jitsu.
Yes, sir.
What is it? I can't take it on? No. We probably, if we go take it on, probably don't walk for you. Big up every time, and we outside. Randy out there, we see you going with a bunch of things. Yo, the stamina part though, the stamina part, you have to have crazy stamina to do what you do.
Non-stop, bro, non-stop.
Jano, see your clothes all wet like mad soak, you could have wring out them clothes and thing.
Yeah, bro.
Jano.
Still going all fresh and just, you know.
Yeah.
Relax and on to the next, you know, we have a next training session today, later. So eat some food and all and just recover a little bit and then we'll at it again. You know?
See him way, see him speed, no joke.
So that's it, bro. Alright, bro, thank you. I just have to put in the work, you know. Seeing hard work, I get ready for December 16 when I come to them, you know.
December 16.
December 16.
Who is the opponent?
December 16 when I fight Muslim Salika, UFC 296. Yeah, so.
A mad thing. So listen, massive, when I just stay tuned, go and watch the video. We're actually there. Which are we there? Over there?
Right now we're there, White Plains.
White Plains.
New York, White
So,
Plains.
me did get this confused. You have White Plains Road and you have White Plains. So over this side is White Plains. Zin. So Randy Brown, you don't see a little Jiu-jitsu. Jiu-jitsu. So I mix it with Jamaican kicking and some jiu-jitsu and some other sitting and kick up boy face and baiting. So massive, stay tuned. We're gonna eat some food right now. We don't know where we are go. We see some of the food that we run to eat and keep him thing going and Ray and sitting there. All if I foolish, we could see where I'm going with. See? We could do it, son of man.
That is it.
That is it. We're outside.
Right now, I eat some food. Show you what life is like. Randy Brown. Yeah, you ready? I eat some food and ride some bikes. You know?
What?
Outside.
I mean. Yeah, massive. So we just there going cruise and actually I get somewhere to get some food. When the champ there going easy back here done. Randy. So we just there up on the road I go and go through and I tell us I drive and I look on the place and I full up my eye and think the place nice and think so. And to some different vibe today. You understand? No joke. Let me ask Randy a few questions why we don't drive. He must can't answer. So Randy, in case them don't know, what the best fight you ever have in your UFC career?
Best fight?
Yeah, where you feel like a
personal
best
favorite fight?
Yeah.
Would have to be the one who broke the toast in there.
When you broke it too.
Yeah, because just because overcome a whole heap, overcome the adversity, because enough man will just quit. When they see toast stick up and look on them, so they will panic, isn't it? But when I panic, just focus up same way and focus on the mission and we get it done. And not only we get it done, we get it done in a BS style.
True, not true.
BS style, we get it done. So you know, when I'm fighting, I love that fight the most because it tells me a lot about myself, you know.
So you're not back down. You just more say, you're one goal you come out of and you have to go shut down without your control. But once you have control, you have to stand ground.
Yeah, man, you have to keep
I mean. So since we asked you why your best fight, what the worst one? What you say? I feel like I'm a worst fight that.
The worst fight, I fight a brother from Brazil called Vicente Luque. And for the people that don't really know, them feel like they would just show up and fight, but a whole heap go behind it, you know. A whole heap go behind it. Down from the weight cut, because remember I have to show up at 117 and to make welterweight, right? So I show up now. Normally as I walk around right now, I'm not 170 pounds, you know, so but I have to make weight. So we have a weigh-in the day before the fight. And the weigh-in is a science to it, you know. You have to do it the right way to cut the weight, you know, because the water weight you lose and the weight come back the next day. So you come back solid. So when if you mess up the process there, you'll be a shell of yourself. And you don't rehydrate properly, you're dehydrated and you just have to get tired no matter how much shaping or how hard you work. Everything no matter, everything erase if you do it wrong. And at the time I kind of green and young in the game still, I'm do it wrong and fight start me there backstage I warm up and when I warm up I say, yo, oh may I get tired during my warm up, how may I go fight if I feel so? I just feel mash up, feel my hand them weak, my legs them weak. And we did there warm up and I look at my coach and I see my coach them a panic, but them I try to show me so them not panic, but I see them a panic same way like everybody I said damn like and we can't turn back and we're there now, we're up next, we have to go walk out. So now I walk out and just make up my mind and say, boy, you know, say Randy, just tell myself, say, yo, you're gonna get tired, you know. And when you're tired, get versus a man where strong and him ready for you and him full of stamina. That's the worst thing in a fight, you know.
Jesus Christ.
You know, say you're gonna bust. As it starts, so, you're gonna gas. So I stay, so I'm tired, the fight starts, I'm gonna look up on the clock. 1 minute in the first round, I'm still, so I look up on the clock, you know, I'm dead tired, you know.
1 minute in.
1 minute in, dead tired. I'm see man, I look for me fresh. I bunk stairs, so I smile in the fight. I said, damn. Yeah, man, the fight, that was one of the worst experiences because I never have nothing for him because I'm just tired and the man just a forward, same way, just a go hard. I'm just stay so tired, survive. Yeah,
so did actually win?
Yeah, man, him beat me.
No.
So that fight there, as we can remember, was like the worst fight of my career ever. You know, but you know what I'm saying?
Never beat you by no knockout or no thing.
Nah, man, him just beat me by decision.
Okay, good.
It's a one-sided thing, you see me?
Yeah, me understand.
But after that, you know, say, alright, you learn from them things then. And you learn from your mistake then, you say, alright, you have to just every day now do things the right way, do things differently and just, you know, have a good heap of success after that. And after that we start climbing, you know, them say, well, you have to go through hell before you get heaven, you know, right? I go through hell, so I'm gonna go through it and go through the fire. And now we get the success we want.
See, then man a bad man. You have to be careful when you go in a ring with Randy. You go in a ring with Randy, you know you're gonna come back up, mash up. All if you do beat him, you mash up when you're done.
You know saying I fight with him.
Yeah, man, you have to know saying I fight with Randy, man. I'm not joking, you have to prepare. So, we know say G right now are well prepared for Randy. So Randy after there make sure say him also well prepared for him. So we just stay in the car while a vibe and a drive and thing, and I tell her say yeah. So Randy, tell them who no know which part of yard you forward from.
You know say I'm me and Fabian growing up. You know say me and Fabian
them for know. Yeah, there's a big bus then you used to bust up boy that all about town there up on this time.
A long time. A bad boy for a long time, bro. I look at youth, I give me a trouble.
Yeah.
So the fighting thing was destiny, you know, it was destiny.
Yeah. From them time they know him little and slim in a maga in a man. So them know your nickname what they used to call you?
A peanut one.
Alright. So we used to call him Peanut. Zinka, him does lick him just like a bad boy in a shell. You understand? So I saw him getting him and bunch of things. So we have to be like, yo, every minute you have to say, Randy. Every minute him in a problem. Oh gosh, though. Trust me. See that? Him thing just destined and when him do. From him grow up and get big, him just so you fighting him and go do that man car. And that him good at. So him just run with it and look on him now. And make a name for himself in a them great legendary book there. You understand? Randy a turn on AC. Are the AC a turn on? Alright, AC from out the door.
No man, you're not.
Then run event, make event come from out the door. Come here to say. Out the door cold like a ice, brother.
You don't cold yet.
Can't take no yet.
You don't cold yet, man. You just found it.
Yeah.
You soon see cold. Just give it like one more month, you're gonna see cold for real.
Yeah, man. So big up all of the Bannister man them, you don't know. All of the man them from Red Grum, Big Pan, Davis, Water Lane, Bannister Scheme. Yo, you name it, big up all of them places.
We can't left out Techford, you know.
And we can't left out Techford.
Can't left out Spanish Town, up a Marchpen here.
That is it.
Marchpen Road, we can't do that.
Not at all.
Everybody.
Same way. So you're here. So massive, you know, just go and watch the video. But there we just go through one stage. That's stage one we just passed. And we are heading on to the next stage. Them you don't know. Seeing a man one Jamaica walk by one hour wait pan. Randy also have a YouTube channel. So they can go over to Randy. When I go see it on the screen. It is a youth boy, it is Rude Boy. Yeah, right, Rude Boy Studio. Don't know. We outside. It's crazy. Look good now, man. Look good and say drive. Look good. Crazy road. We outside.
Fire in the dark day, you know.
Fire in now, man. Look good. And a Jamaica this. Look good now, man. Yeah, so we just actually stop and get some gas off the highway. I don't know if vehicle can run from breeze. So I get some fuel, you know, do the thing the right way. Yeah, massive. So I must say, where they are foreign places different from where I am and things like that. Understand? No joke. Look good. Yeah, so yeah, around there, which part you so? Which this is a highway? Yeah, right now. This is a highway. Our Shell, massive. I want to know about Shell. Shell used to be at Jamaica, but we don't have Shell gas station no more. You understand? Look good. So Rockstone, there's a Shell on this side and there's a Shell on the other side, as well as a Dunkin' Donut. One on the other side of it is a Dunkin'. So they have a Dunkin' Donuts over here, so if you're going this direction, they have a Dunkin' Donuts over there if you're going that direction. But it actually looks like you can't even just cross the road, and even make no sense either. You understand? But yeah, it is so well thought of that they put one over there, because you can't cross, one over here, just in case over this side. It's crazy. Nice. Yeah, so since before I'm actually going to try Dunkin's Donut, so I'm actually going to try Dunkin's Donut right now. That's a simple taste because I hear so much about it. I know Randy now going to eat it still, but I want to try it out and see if I'm going to like it. He said it's super sweet and definitely want to try it. You understand? No joke. Let's go. Alright, so the inside Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, sure. And them sell it. Random, and I have no idea how them sell them together. Alright. But we just have a look. We just want to taste it. Blessed, respect. I just want to try something. So we actually in Dunkin' Donuts. I've never tried this one before, but I want to try it. Audience,
See a good feeling there, so you need to eat clean there. Dunkin' Donuts, no Dunkin' Donuts, you need to eat healthy.
I'm gonna eat 2 Dunkin' Donuts today. Come on. I have no idea how they sell it. So can I just like try like they sell them in 6 like for 6 donuts? Can I get like 3 of them? Yeah, I would like to try 3. You have anyone like cheesy like I don't know.
Cheese.
Alright, just give me one of that one.
Try the jelly one.
The jelly?
Yeah, try the jelly and try the old fashioned.
Alright, so jelly and the old fashioned?
Yeah, try the old fashioned.
Alright. So me never tried the Dunkin's donut. So so that's the jelly. And go again, the old fashioned?
Yeah, the old fashioned.
Yeah.
And then you don't have no glaze. Yeah, no glaze, yeah.
Alright, yeah. Okay, can I just get like the 3 of those? Yeah. How much can I get? Like, alright, I'm good with 3. I just want to try 3 of them. I have to pay for the whole box.
No, I don't want, it depends on how much you get.
Oh, I just want 3. Yeah, I'm good with the 3 of them. Yeah.
It's only number 6.
650 sir.
650?
No, yeah, 650.
Alright. Alright, so that's it there. Alright, thank you. So it's 653. The receipt. Alright, respect. So yeah, Dunkin' Donuts. Right there actually I bought out this. So
You get a free one extra. Halloween donut. Now I'm a good one is.
yeah, give it to me.
Can give me extra donut.
So big up Dunkin' Donuts. I'm good. Big up. Maybe in Jamaica I wouldn't get this. So big up every time.
Respect, yeah.
Big up Dunkin' Donuts. They run it on the video, man. But the show is not about me today. It's about him.
Dunkin' Donut business. Healthy foods only.
Yeah, massive. Foreign, me telling about foreign and not a joke thing. Yes, massive. We outside. Yeah, so actually, I tried the Halloween donut, Halloween special donut. That Dunkin' Donut actually gave me this one as a sample for free. So big up the Dunkin' Donut for that. Yo, it tastes mad good though. Like, you can't go around them donut, brother. Like, and the police alone love donut. I love it too, brother. Now, Randy, I kid you not, dog.
Yeah, man, good.
The donut tastes so freaking good, dog.
Tastes good now.
Yeah, Jamaica actually have Krispy Kreme. Like recently opened.
Yeah. Right,
That's mad in that.
Trafalgar now.
Yeah, right on Waterloo Road.
Yeah.
That's mad in that, bro. Me not go Kingston if me not try it now.
So compared to that at Jamaica and this, what you would say tastes better?
I think they taste the same.
Yeah? That makes sense.
That my honest opinion, it actually tastes like me I eat a Krispy Kreme donut.
You know what I don't understand? If you got one KFC up here, you got KFC up here yet?
No, I'm not try it.
You know I'm gonna place it there. You want to try, cause the KFC up here
Hear about it, the KFC.
terrible.
No,
Not the same. So why at Jamaica all these years it always tastes so much better than what they up here?
I think we solve it too. You know how?
You think of the organic ingredients or the organic, like everything is different. Cause up here full of steroids and be like something with the preservatives and everything that they put
See,
on the food.
you dip on the right part. And that's the chicken. And the
But
chicken.
I don't know the chicken alone, because the fries them and things taste different. The aisle are different. With
So
frying
clearly,
and
how them grow them thing, and that's how me personally think. Food chicken in Jamaica, I think the process of growing the chicken is way different
Yeah.
than up here. So, because to be honest, when me here, me not try the KFC up in a foreign here. But persons that come up here
You know, I miss nothing.
and try them tell us say, yo, the chicken itself don't taste like yard chicken. So, and they say lies. No joke thing.
So, I figure that say, I know the chicken alone are just the ingredients, because you want to. That's why I'm asking, with the Dunkin' Donuts, if it tastes the same, because you'd figure, alright, the eggs and the milk and them to whatever, if you mix the dough, would that be different?
I think this ingredient don't taste different to me at all. This legit tastes like me just eat one Krispy Kreme donut. Me not go run. After I try another one.
The old fashioned.
This is the old
That is a
fashioned.
plain original donut.
So, see if
Old
I see it.
school.
Yeah. Okay. Shit, me not like it.
You know like that? It kind of dry.
It's dry.
Personally, my favorite one that.
This one?
Yeah, the original. It just. Nothing on the on it. It's the original donut from back in the first donut that they make was that donut there. Try the glazes. The glaze probably you will like the glaze probably.
I'll try this. This?
Yeah, the one there the glazes. Yeah, I like that one.
Alright. Is it the texture of this already how this feel? Like sorry, random I don't have a car.
No, they're good.
Good?
Yeah.
No, not so man clean machine. So this one of the glaze. I think I go like that one because I like how it's soft already and it have a look out, cushy thing to it. But it's bad.
Because it have the sugar on it, because sugar and everything.
Yeah, this even the dough bad. Yeah, me actually no doubt about this one. See? This are the glaze. Yeah. Can mash up this one. So what's on? I mash up my donut the man thing. I'm just going chilling till we reach over I go with Randy. It's a vibe, trust me. I tell you the superstar, yeah, son, superstar. Bad man. The boy can't touch me, I know, yeah man. The boy can't style me in the street. You say who me apart with? Look good.
This I bring it straight to Queens, straight to Queens.
Oh.
Cross Long Island, straight to Queens.
Massive only in the movies you see them bridge. We don't have them bridge in Jamaica. This is massive, Randy.
That's how I feel like Jamaica needs some infrastructure, dad. Right, you see right down for Trafalgar, when they wait for traffic, we need an overpass, so the man they want to go straight down, them can take the overpass.
Yeah,
The people them need to go turn off water and the one in the road there,
Yeah.
and go Devon's house and them place there. Yeah, we need, them can go the regular
Something like when they do 3 mile.
Yeah, but we need an overpass. Got too much traffic there or something.
True, man. So even for the airport, me hate for just drive from so far, we just go right over this side now. The water this across the road that we can go way around so we go right this side.
One little bridge. Not a massive bridge like this. They don't need a bridge. Something small, simple bridge.
Simple
Overpass.
bridge. Look good. Massive only in the movies we see them bridge. Actually I drive man, Yeah man, it's a feeling. It's a feeling. So actually this bridge is actually we're there at the Bronx, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. This bridge is massive. Yeah, massive. So you don't know, so we're off the road and thing, and we actually did a whole vibe and think. One whole day we're there and they actually punch up some bag. But you see, before we do that, we about roll out the beast. Car. Yo, hard work and no play make Jack a dull boy. Look on the beast now, man. Look good. Look good now, man.
700, you know?
What is that one about?
700
700. Then, so, one might have never know, say, Randy actually ride them thing and him really good at it. Really good at it. So, yeah, massive. Hard work and no play. Hard work and no play make Jack a dull boy. Yeah, watch now, man. Look good. Look good.
Walk on, get up on the same way. I do some tricks, I go up and down. Couple of them, I show you how to ride it. So, that's it.
Watch what I go on.
Up to speed on the machine.
Yes, him up. No jokes. Dog skill. Randy, bro. So massive with us there. Yeah, so we just there hold some vibe and thing. I mean, I tell you, so we just a kick it. You don't know in I place and thing. I make sure say the vibe is right and sit. You understand? Great Randy. No joke.
Baby on the machine, you know.
Massive.
Walk by on the machine. Come in. This is your front brake, and this, when you press this is your back brake. Yeah, so keep your foot off of that till you want to stop. Right? Press it. But remember, you know, when you want to stop, you have to squeeze the clutch.
Yeah, just like a gear beat.
Yeah, so you want to stop, you have to squeeze the clutch when you want to stop.
One gear and down, and the rest of them are up.
Yeah, keeping that one gear slow, and just keep a little bit of gas. And ease up off of the clutch. Alright. You know one now, you know, so you can't let go of the clutch, you know. Yeah, so you let go of the clutch slow and see gas up. So I get button. So when you touch the gas, it's powerful enough.
So you flick up in our ear.
Yeah, so when you touch the gas, you have to barely touch the gas. Just keep a little bit of gas as you let go. Just a small amount of gas. Because it's a very strong machine. Hold on, see? It's fast. Yeah.
So massive with father firing. I'm gonna try one of this for the first time. You understand? Alright, so greatest thing is that you have to know which are the brake them then. And easy. We do the young thing at Jamaica and bunch of things, but
Same
it's
thing.
different. You know?
It's actually the same thing, nothing change. You're in a one gear already, you know.
Yeah.
So now you just have to ease off of the clutch slow and give a small amount of gas. Because it's strong, so you give a small.
It stay when you roll up.
Ah. Just ease off slow. Man. Now you that, slowly let go. Can't let it go all the way now. Man. Don't start again, man.
Good.
It's going.
So, you never get the part then. When you stall, or you start it back. Because by right, you know, the clutch is very important. So for you live on the clutch, at least if you start it back, you know so it wouldn't kick off.
Yeah.
Because you know so not engaged.
So you squeeze the clutch,
Yeah.
don't let go of the clutch, right? You see this?
Yeah.
Boom, we flick it that way there,
Oh.
and you press that button there.
That is it. No one figure out. So right now, wait. They actually did have it in a one, so I have to neutral it back. Well, you know it's in a
Halfway, so just a little bit. And you can see that light there. You can see that light here. You see that light here? Take a light up, the end of the light up. So you just go so boom and touch it one time.
Hold on, we did there now.
Go down.
But you have to start it first.
No, you don't have to start, man. It's on, you know. So you're good. But you have to find it. It's hard, so you have to get used to it. So boom, down. So a little bit up. Honestly, you're supposed to go there. So just squeeze it.
Yeah.
Don't let go, you can start it. But just keep this grip.
Right. I'm my foot up on the back brake anyways. So they press the button.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the key not turn. That's why. Oh, so you're in a neutral, man. You're good.
Yeah.
So you can let go of this. If you're in a neutral, you're good.
You can start.
You can start it. You're in a neutral. You see me?
Alright, that wasn't bad. So I'm back on the clutch. I'm just on my brake. See?
Ah, so now you ease up slowly, eat little gas, and spin around. Not too much, you know, just a little bit as you come round. Come on, you're good. Yeah, massive. Jamaica walk by. Jamaica walk by fans. We are here. You get a guest today. Randy Brown. I take over for Fabian right now. G get the hang of it now. I get it now. Does he have it now?
A serious machine is a brother man. Yeah, actually find the illusion.
Just go all the way down and then just a little bit. Just bring it up a little bit. Catch it.
No, we not catch it.
Then I catch it. If you don't catch it, just you can just turn it off. Boom.
Damn.
So what you think, bro?
But I saw where you fall like no. I saw where that one you're going up and live pan.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. It's powerful.
A beast.
Different kind of energy.
Yeah, man. First gear. Me see how I end up get it on the back with.
Yeah, because
the first pull
whole heap of power. Beer talking on it. As you touch it, so as you touch the gas, boom, it lift up.
shit. We're outside.
I got some work still, just like some bag work, some boxing, maybe a little bit of kickboxing. We'll see. End the day, and then tomorrow morning wake up early and I'm gonna do some real hard work, hard sparring and everything. But right now, sharpen up my skills, them work, think about the things that we're gonna do tomorrow morning in a sparring. So right now, I like before sparring, I like to just visualize and come and work on the bag, the things that we want to do tomorrow. So mind too sharp, you will see two moves. So tomorrow, when you see the video tomorrow, you're going to see some of the moves that we do tonight on the bag. You're probably going to see them live tomorrow. So yeah, come here, some visualize and figure out what we want to do tomorrow and work it. And that's really it.
I hear you say use a term named sparring.
Yeah.
You want to tell them what that mean?
So sparring tomorrow, that's tomorrow. I go Philadelphia. You know, Philadelphia known for all of the fight of them and things. So there, so it's all of the top man them there. So we're going to go get some good work. And yeah, we spar. Sparring basically is like fighting. We're practicing. We're practicing. What you see we do on TV, live in the cage, we pretty much get a backstage access to come see what we do day to day. Yeah, so we are practice.
Man, a music a choice? Let them hear peace right now, man, as we jump in.
Come on, man. A tyrant in a massacre, you know. One massacre, you know, bro. You see me? Always.
What you did?
So my heart rate, so with the heart rate monitor my heart rate. Yeah. So we know how hard to push, when to pull back, how much calories we burn, what kind of fitness we know, how long it takes to reach a certain heart rate, reach a certain point. And yeah, so all these things are getting monitored.
Heart rate monitor.
So it goes straight for your heart, So right now, you feel it detect like the beats per minute. So the slower your heart rate is, the more shape you're in. The faster it is, the more, the less shape you're in, I guess, right? So that's really it. We need to monitor all these things to make sure we know, because your heart can detect when you're about to get sick, when you need to stop drink. If you train too hard sometimes you can get sick, you mash up yourself. So you need to in a fighting, you need to walk that balance there. There's a thin line, you have to balance it. Overtraining and training for getting better.
And it's a thin line.
It's a very thin line. So you have to kind of walk that line. So it's an 86. So we're going to start training.
Training started.
So tell the training start. Once it start go up now, my heart rate now show, but once we start working, I see it climb. So today, we're not go crazy. We're not going to red zone today. Tomorrow we'll spar red zone. So when you see the tick, I'll go up, probably I'll go up to like green and a little bit of yellow today.
Alright. Yeah, man, see some. Randy Rude Boy Brown. Welterweight. UFC. So earlier I'm going to say a couple
You are burning fat.
Alright.
So these are the hand wraps, right? The reason why we need the hand wraps is to protect your hand. And normally you would think that you have the gloves on, so the gloves will protect you, but that's not really the case. Your hands need to be protected by the hand wraps, because the hand wraps make everything compact. Because remember, say your hands have a whole heap of bone in them, a whole heap of fine bone. And these bones in your hand, they compress to stay strong. So with the hand wrap, compress all of it. So wrap it, everything is really strong. To protect your hand from getting damaged from that. So you can see this. Wrap a specific move in a certain part. You understand? And going on gloves take height.
Nice.
So push up on the knuckles and create that little push up. Protect the knuckles. I'm going to protect the push up. Locking. Oh, the wrist, protect the wrist. So then they're locking in on each knuckle. Each knuckle is secure, nice and tight. Oh. See? Oh, awesome.
Rude Boy. So it's all about a little lesson for me to go as well, you understand? Because he's the fighter. You understand? He's the fighter. And a feet thing. You understand? My thing is different. So we get behind the camera to the which I never fight in. From there we actually have a vibe and a easy and a chill out. But why am I good? I realize that UFC thing now. Can't afford one day I'm on the UFC jacket. Look now, look good. Have you understand me I say? So I'm part of the bad fighter today. Real Jamaican, real yard man. So all I must see them from the don't know about Randy by now. Check him out. His Instagram is touch and go. You understand? Look him up, Randy Brown, and let's do this. We're there, man. No joke thing. Look now, man. Look good. Yeah.
Yes, bro.
So right now that are the wrap for the training inside of here. I don't know bare things.
That is it. The hard work, you know.
Yeah, big man I ease off.
One Randy Brown I put in work as usual, you know.
Straight.
That's it. Non-stop.
No joke.
Every day, you know.
Every day.
One day can't pass when I work, you know. Have to work. You don't work, you don't eat. You do not work, you do not eat. So we have to put in the work every day. Go for what we want in our life. So we go hard and we not cut no corner and we never give up. You see me?
Straight. Figure that? No joke. Yeah, so massive, it's all about the night, and we still up on the road and we just say all over with the great Randy, you understand? But you know, so we're there at the house of the first lady. Look now man, the Randy mother this. Look now man, right now we come for hype up her belly, you know. Cause she have all of the food over here, so you know, she have the good cook, you know. Yeah man, she have the people them cooking on the plate, you know man. Look good now man. So we have to come over here so we get the real food, you understand? Randy a lie? Nah man, chap, as Randy reaching take off his shirt. So you know, say him they warm, you know man. Oh you mean, look on the Gina man. The real big man in our house. The moment, oh gosh. Hey, and I just with the camera, you know, he always love his mother. As the mother answer for, hey mommy, I want them to come off her phone, I love you. I'm like, bop.
For a long time, no.
Easily. Look on phone, man. A Jamaican style, where they are going to beat, man. She start out the food, man. I want to play the choke. You understand? Look good. Nose and skirt. We still have a 49 night here, you know.
Stew together. Bacon brown stew.
Bacon brown, so more on both of them, you know.
Make your boat, see that?
Look good now, man. We're there 9 you know. We just come catch a pot.
Randy,
Yes, I. Oh, you mean? Real Jamaican food. I don't know about this. I yes, so with the big up all of my Jamaican them right across the world and who no can know. I'm not joking. Look good now, man. Look good. So I tell you, say, Randy say I don't want to cool it, but Mama and I have to leave the glass same way, cause Randy say want water. No problem with that, but the juice have to left on the table. I might want that. Looking at my plate. One time a Jamaican cooking food, the food just eat different, brother. No joke, man. Whether you're going easy, you don't know, so we are natural, we just world vibes. You understand? Yes, Randy. Yes. That is it. Figure that. Easy now, man. Cool it. Massive, yeah. Big up all my Jamaica walk by massive again, cause you don't know it's another day and we're out in the street, you understand? We actually left New York and we're now in a Philly, you understand? So it's all about a training session, like more aggressive training session today in Philly at the gym. And which gym we're going?
Marquez MMA.
Marquez MMA.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's all about more physical and more, you know, active things today, sparring and bunch of things. So it's gonna be crazy, it's gonna be active. I'm anticipating the whole thing, you know what I mean? I thought that was a Jamaican flag or something inside of the van, so I was gonna be there, but I realized no, it wasn't. So I'm anticipating the whole thing, and trust me, they just crazy, you know, Randy up early this morning and getting ready and saying, yeah, I can't wait until, because you know, Randy, yeah, but it actually take like 3 hours to reach over here in Philly. So we almost reached the gym, and just stay tuned. You know, it's a long video, and you know, we just want to show you some details thing and the journey of Randy Rude Boy Brown. You understand? So this is it. Look on Philly. We're in Philly. Look good. So it's a different vibe, different environment. The houses are different, the buildings are different. The vehicle them different, like you can see like a big difference from New York over here in Philly, like no joke. You see me? So yeah, we're outside and it's gonna be crazy. Ready, Randy?
Ready up, man.
Yeah.
Feeling on feet roughness still, you know, that's why the environment are kind of like fighters and people with adversity and them.
Yeah, the place just look tense
yeah,
though.
the place kind of, you know, Philadelphia that face the with the on like the north side of Philly, you know, have a little reputation.
Oh.
Yeah. So just yeah, that's the gym. That's how come on put in work.
Yeah, the place just look tense and different from over New York. So we're there and let's go. Yeah, so this is it. We're in Philly and we're heading to the gym. And you know it's a big day for Randy and the whole preparations and stuff. Like it's gonna be crazy. Randy ready up early and thing. It look like him barely walking and put them under whole heap of pressure. So today it's gonna be worse, I guess.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, one of the hard idea them today, you know. But it's like, no, bro, we just got you over God and get it done.
Yeah. So yeah. Philly. It's crazy here in Philly. One heap of steps, bro. Well, at least a step prepare you for. Yeah? It's like a warm up, yeah, for real. But like for me now as the video G, it's not good.
It's my dog from Jamaica. He visited from Jamaica. Jamaica?
Elbow bumps. I'm currently videoing, you know? Bless up. Here. Today.
Let's go. Take a shit from nobody. Dude, make sure you break it off.
I didn't catch it.
Run the next chair. I don't do it.
Like him now doing no work.
I've been inside, bro. I remember I was just lifting weights and running and doing cardio. It's my first arm session. Okay. Welterweight? But he's like all those guys there. So I need some hard work this week.
Yo, he goes hard, bro.
Yeah.
Like with the hands, especially with the hands.
Something underneath the trunk.
Where you from, man? Jamaica?
Yeah, Jamaica. We grew up together.
Oh, nice. In Jamaica or here?
In Jamaica.
Nice.
I not really grew up with that part.
He came from out here? He came here from Jamaica?
No, he's visiting.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
How did you clear customs? I know you got some shit on you.
Yeah,
I
not
know
man.
you bring some shit.
I'm one of the clean guys, man. Good. All I have is my camera. I don't drink even or smoke. None of it.
That's
it.
Good shit right there.
Yeah, this is
like this motherfucker. Look at his hair.
This guy's cool.
Point at his hair.
Randy don't.
I don't got hair, but
He's cool, yo. Rate this guy. What did you just say? Say that again.
Jamaica, Salam alaikum.
That is it. Yeah, man.
Nobody's perfect in life, period, in anything, in any field. But if we perfect, how is there room to improve? You understand? So then, once you become perfect, you stop chasing, right? Because you're perfect. So stop chasing perfection and just let's chase more effort, right? Effort to win the round, effort to be in here, effort to get the job done. So just focus on that. You know, the round doesn't have to be perfect. As long as you won the round, you're good in a fight. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's a fight. They're gonna punch you in your face. They're gonna kick you. They're gonna take you down. They're gonna try to submit you. It's a fight. If you try to chase perfection, not gonna fix shit, right? So, got it?
Good rounds, guys. Good rounds. Give yourself a hand.
Hey, 6:30 tonight. We got Randy Boy Bumble Clock in the house. Hey,
Hey, got that?
Randy's barber went on vacation.
Now,
Looking for a barber.
look like him dead. Yeah. That's it.
Eyeball blew up, erupted yourself,
I had a cataract when it popped up.
So what you doing this morning?
You know I can't.
This guy's crazy.
Well, that man said, didn't I see him in the ring this morning?
Yes.
I only do big gloves. That's why big gloves are good. And that's it.
You always got your head good. That's the one time you don't wear it good. You look
So that one time you don't wear his headgear, somebody knock out,
one time.
bust his eye open.
No, that's like unusual.
1 out of 100.
Yeah, that's like rare. That's not like a normal.
John.
Yeah, so we actually here with one around the court. You don't know, Pedro. No, you can't see.
No, it's John. This is Coach John.
Coach John.
Just call me Pedro.
So, as you can see, Randy actually mad wet right now, you understand?
Hey, yo.
Get his ass whooped and thing, you know? So, the big man actually putting in some serious work. So, Coach, what do you think about this guy? How do you think he did today?
Randy, man. Randy's one of the top in the world, man. I love Randy, you know. Comes in here, drives 3 fucking hours just to get some work in with our guys. So, one of the top in the world, you know, if his mind is right.
If his mind is right.
If his mind. He's got the skills, got the discipline, but 90% of the game is mental, so, you know, once you get that right, the motherfucker's unstoppable.
Yeah. Randy, you hear that? So, we actually drive like 3 hours to get here. You know, for Randy putting in some serious work. We're up all morning and all of that just to get here. It's crazy. But the work, I forgot, Randy, how was the thing you did today? What was it?
Alright, first day back, so not too bad. But we do a thing, you know. Do what we need to do to survive, you know, and I go through. But yeah.
I wonder how much you can sell a shirt if I would all of the sweat in it. Like, how many ladies out there would probably like, you probably need to like keep some of those sweaty shirts on them. Put them in the bag? Yeah, keep them, you know, preserve them because like, this shirt will go for millions.
One day, hopefully.
In time when it's like this big super size. I have some shirts way before I'm a star back in 2023. I have those shirts on display selling. You know what I mean? Some people are buying them out. They still That's Randy, that's Randy, way before everything. Don't it? That's fucking the Yeah, I see the ladies doing it. So why can't the men like preserve their shit?
You see the ladies with the bottom on the
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I'm good. Those gloves, you know, millions. What you gotta do is just give me a few of them and I'll just put them down for you, just in case. And then we just, you know, just get the family.
Hey, you wear G-strings to
Yo, we're outside massive. So it's all about the gym day today and Randy did his thing, it was great. His coach is mad crazy. Love the guy. Him just tough, you understand? Big him up every time. You don't know. So look at the gym. Like there was so much work going on today. A lot of fighters, well, they're still here. Understand? A lot of persons still about to start training. Some persons still going to train and actually here. So big up to my art. You don't know. The real goat. I got this one from Randy also. So yeah. So it's just a great day and let's see what happens for the rest of the day as Randy on his journey for the big fight in December. Crazy work. Let's do this. So I'm actually here with Kayana. Yo, I see this girl actually there inside of the gym. I get crazy punches and I fling crazy punches. And she wasn't even just fighting with the females. She was actually fighting with the men. And trust me, she's tough. She's a bad one. So we're actually here with Kayana. Big up yourself. Like, where are you from though?
I'm from Philly.
You're from Philly. Because we drive like 3 hours to get here. We're from New York.
No, I live down in Upper Darby, so it takes me like half an hour, 45 minutes.
To get here. So what do you do? Why are you here?
I'm here because I want to be a professional fighter, and I actually got into this because of my uncle, and I just I've been doing this for like 2 years now. So it's not really a lot of females in here. So it's like I gotta go with the guys in order to get better and build myself.
So you finished with school and stuff like that?
Yeah, I graduated this year.
Oh, so you were like the baddest girl in the school. Clearly. Like big man thing. She often be the baddest girl in the class, the baddest girl in the entire school. No real? True.
Yeah, people follow me, so like I haven't had a fight yet, but I've been doing grappling rounds, and then when they see me winning, they would like, it would always be tough. Like, oh yeah, she do this, oh yeah, bro, you better stop playing with her before she do this and that. And it's like,
damn.
I don't know.
So what's your Instagram?
Curlyhead.yana with 2 underscores.
Alright, so it's curly hair?
Curlyhead.yana. 2 underscores.
Curlyhead.yana. Underscore, 2 underscore. Alright, so massive, you can actually follow her, check out her journey. Let me tell you, she's bad. I was here watching her and she's crazy. You can't really tell the difference with her fight techniques different from the men. So that's crazy, right? Big up, man, you're gonna do well, trust me, alright? You can see that you believe in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so it's Cayenne, right?
Yes.
I'll be hearing that name. Elbow bounce now. That is it. We're outside. See?
He just said, you know what they just said like a G-Wagon number, like 25K. Damn.
Yeah, man. So this Randy and his big bad coach. Yeah, what the hell?
Beautiful dog. I saw a sweater there. Got on a sweater and everything.
What's his name?
Raven.
Raven, what's up, man? Oh, it's a girl or a boy?
A girl.
It's a girl. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, man.
I don't like how she's looking at me.
Yeah, you're looking at Randy away. Look at Randy funny, but I like you. I don't think you can escape that leash. Hey, him is a bad boy. You'll be making a big mistake. Alright, bless up.
Coach.
Yeah.
See you, bro.
Alright, dog. I'll see you.
I'll see you Monday. Either
Yeah.
Monday or Wednesday.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Alright, bless up, coach. You're a cool guy.
I'll see you next week, right?
Yeah.
Hey, bring your fucking gloves too, so you can show this nigga some real Jamaican power.
Me? Him already a Jamaican. And we are either me. Like, I want to go back home. Yeah, massive. So, you know, we're actually just out at the gym and we're there up on the road and it's crazy. Yo, you know, so Randy super bone out right now. I get prepared and thing. It was a great day and
Eat some food, bro. We forgot to eat some food.
Yeah, we just gonna get some food and I want just easy back a little bit and just enjoy the rest of the day and thing and see. We over Philly and Philly is crazy. I might do a video on Philly. Let's see. You understand? Let's see. Don't be surprised. Yeah, massive. So you don't know, we actually did get some food to eat and thing and back in the vehicle, head back home. It was a great day. Trust me, training crazy amount of things. Like the energy in the gym was ridiculous. It was mad. Yo, your sister Randy wet like crazy. You know me now go actually video everything, but me I tell her said the training was mad superb. Randy went all out then, yo, like so tell no energy no leave. Right now him barely a move. And barely moving. You see me? So it's great, and it's just great, like trust me. So bro, I don't know.
You, bro. Yeah, man, massive. Big up all on, big up everybody for tuning in, much love. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video.
Yeah, man. Like him coach is just somebody else, brother. Him coach just different. Yeah, you can say it's like it remind me of Christmas. This is like me always say it's like a black man in a white man body. Yeah, they're mad cool. So big up to everybody at the gym. What the gym name again?
Marquez MMA.
Marquez MMA. Yeah, so big up them all the time, all the way over there in Philly. So big up on manners and open to enjoy the video, open to get to tune into who Randy Brown is. So if you never know who Randy Rude Boy Brown is, now you know and see a little bit of him life and thing, and it's just massive. I'm prepare for him fight for December 28th, right?
No, December 16th.
December 16th.
Las Vegas.
Yeah, Las Vegas. Sorry
Jamaica on my back, you know. So we're ready for them again.
Right. So I'm gonna represent Jamaica straight. So all of my Jamaica massive, you can stay tuned on his YouTube channel. That's Rude Boy Studio on YouTube. I don't know him name. Touch and Go on Instagram _. Seeing, or you can just type in Randy Brown and you can type in Randy Brown. Oh, I should have left turn there, you know. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, massive. So you don't know so we stay. We are driving. So oh yeah, that one for real. So tune in on Instagram at touchandgo_. But if you type in Randy Brown, you're gonna see his name come up and you're gonna see the verified badge. And just jump on that. See, we're tired and we're going now, and the journey was crazy, all the traffic and baiting. So big up every time to everybody who's tuning in. Everybody, if you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. And over here up on Jamaica Walk By, it's all about love, unity, strength, and promotion and advertisement. So if nobody don't know about you, I say you're forward for me people know about you and should be across the world, get whatever you want out there. See? Mad love, mad respect. And anybody want big up Randy before you go?
Big up the massive man, big up Jamaica Walk By, big up everybody at Jamaica, you know, so big up St. Catherine in general, you know, so we have to big up Bannister, big up Wallaba, Spanish Town, everybody, yeah.
See it there now, man. See it there. We outside, mad respect. Boom shot.